In this video, I will show how to get Image Playground on iPhone. Here are some prerequisite conditions you should follow before trying to download and install it on your iPhone from the App Store, after accidentally being deleted from the home screen. Use the Image Playground app and features on your iPhone. First, you must turn on Apple Intelligence under the Apple Intelligence and Siri option under the Settings app on your iPhone. To do so, you have to set the language to English and region to the United States. If it's not set, then correct this under the Settings. Scroll to the Language and Region option. Set the region to English, and the region should have English as the primary language. Once you correct the settings, recheck under the Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Turn on the toggle for Apple Intelligence, and that's it. Now, go back to the App Store and try to download the Apple Image Playground app in the App Store. If it's not found in the App Store, that means your App Store is signed in with an Apple ID that's not your USA account. You must see it in the USA App Store by signing in with a USA Apple ID account. Right now, my Apple ID is not a USA account, so I am getting an error message. This app is currently unavailable in your country or region. To fix the issue, create a new Apple ID account from your browser in the United States. Link is given in the video description. Once you create, go back to the App Store. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on Sign Out, and that's it. Tap on Done to save the changes. Again, tap on the profile name at the top right corner. And tap on Sign In with Apple Account option. Select the Not Account Name option. Enter your Apple ID, and continue with the option. Enter your Apple ID and password, and tap on Done. Enter your verification code and confirm with the option. That's it. I am signed in with your USA Apple ID account. Share and check the Apple Image Playground, which is available on your App Store. Tap on Cloud icon to download it and enjoy. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for upcoming video tips and tricks.